Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Matt, and in this video, I will tell you 5 ways you can make money online, with no skills required. So, let's begin. 1. Participate in market research. Market research companies like to collect data on consumer trends and spending habits, so that major brands can learn how to better market their products. This research is most often conducted via online questionnaires, and they are always on the lookout for new survey participants. These websites pay anywhere between $10 to $50 per survey. Some of the survey websites are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. 2. Get paid to test websites. Website testers give their opinions on websites, including the design, quality, and ease of use of a site. This allows companies to make changes to their websites in order to provide a better experience for their users. Here is a list of few sites for getting started as website tester. 1. User testing. It pays $10 for every 10 to 15-minute test completed. 2. What users do. It pays $8 for 15 to 20-minute tests. 3. User conversion. It pays $10 per study. Other website testing sites include Enroll, Utest, Userfeel, TryMyOI, and Userlytics. 3. Become a freelance writer. There are many successful freelance writers out there who've used their business to replace their full-time job. You don't need a background in English or writing to make it as a successful freelance writer. For instance, Holly Johnson from Club Thrifty started doing freelance writing on the side with no real background, and now makes over $200,000 per year from her writing. 4. Become a freelance proofreader. Caitlin Pyle of Proofread Anywhere made $43,000 her first year as proofreader, in her spare time, while studying abroad. It takes a few weeks to learn the art of proofreading, and likely a few more to start acquiring clients, but it offers great flexibility. From working at home, and setting your own hours, to choosing your workload, and setting your own rates, it's hard to beat a lifestyle that you have full control over. 5. Make money teaching English online. VibeKid is a company that connects online English teachers to students who want to learn English in China. VibeKid provides an international learning experience to children in China between the ages 4 to 12. Headquartered in Beijing, the company offers fully immersive one-on-one English language instruction provided online by teachers. For just 90 minutes a day, you can easily make over $500 per month. VibeKid pays anywhere between $14 to $22 per hour. I hope these 5 online money-making ideas helped you get one step closer to your financial freedom. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.